In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to replace Logitech G435 earpads. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be giving you instructions on how to properly remove the default earpads that came with any G435 model and how to replace them. First, of course, make sure that the earpads that you are using as a replacement are the compatible size. Make sure that they were advertised specifically for the G435, and as long as the size fits and the model is roughly the same, then you will be able to put them over the original ones. So first, to remove the old ones, you just need to insert some sort of tool here and push it out. Eventually, you will be able to pull them out with your finger. So to get this done, like I said, you can use a tool. There is going to be a specific hole where the earpads are inserted into. So as you can see, according to these two pictures, this is the hole where usually the earpads are going to be inserted into. So all that you have to do is insert some sort of tool here and you will be able to remove them. So insert it into this hole here and then pull them out. Once you pull at least one corner out like this, it will be easier to pull the entirety of the thing. So you can pull this top part towards you and then you can do the same across the entirety of the earpad. Now, to place a new one in, you just have to make sure that this fabric on the inside goes inside of this hole. So you can also use a tool to mash it in, but basically you will need to expand that inside part of your earpads and then make sure that it goes inside of this little hole. Once it is there, you just do the entire thing across. It is going to be a tight fit, but as long as you can start with the top or the bottom and then you go all the way around, you will be able to insert everything. I hope I was able to help you on how to replace Logitech G435 earpads. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.